Hi, it's Cathy, founder of Her Certified, and this is test drive number 588. This week I test drove the 2021 Lexus ES300h. The color was eye-catching. It's a kind of greenish gray. Hopefully you can see that in the iMovie. But it has 18-inch wheels, which I thought were great looking, and you can judge yourself. But also, it had a great backup braking system because somehow, I don't know how, but some car snuck behind me, and when I went to back up, it immediately the brakes went on, which was fantastic. It's under $56,000, and check out the iMovie. Until next week, be safe.